So before he initially came, I know you referenced that like click. Like he came for the appointment and it made sense and everybody clicked. Was there a moment where you're like, yeah, we're getting a pool?
When we saw the dog in his car.
Yep. It speaks to the person though. I mean, we had 2 golden retrievers ourselves, and you kind of get the person that gets a golden retriever. So, you know, it's more of a funny point than anything. But I guess to answer your question, after the first meeting, we definitely knew, you know, we were definitely working with Al, and we were definitely going to work through the process with him. You know, because we didn't really have a design. We had that ugly sketch drawing of
I think you've done a great job of prepping though.
Yeah, but I think it was something where we just had very, very rough conceptual stuff, and